Case, Architecture Studio. HyFlex Activity Analysis. This case focuses on designing effective HyFlex learning activities. The learning outcome is design a sustainable housing solution that meets client requirements. Learning outcome. Design a sustainable housing solution as a team that meets the client's requirements and present the report and model. This requires creativity, technical knowledge, and collaborative problem-solving. Current HyFlex activity overview. Although the learning outcome remains the same, the experience differs significantly across learning approaches. In person, students collaborate in the studio using physical models. Online synchronous. The instructor shares photos of studio work over Zoom and asks for chat comments. Asynchronous. Students receive PDF slides from previous discussions with no interaction or feedback. In-person experience. In-person students work in groups in the studio. They use physical models and materials to explore their designs. They have free and informal discussions with peers and the instructor. This mode supports deep engagement and real-time feedback. Online synchronous experience. In the live online session, the instructor shares photos of studio work via Zoom. Students are asked to comment in the chat. There is limited opportunity for real-time discussion, questions, or feedback. This reduces the depth of interaction compared to in-person learning. Asynchronous experience. Asynchronous students receive a PDF with slides from past studio discussions. They have no chance to interact with peers or the instructor. There is no opportunity to ask questions or receive feedback. This results in a passive and isolated learning experience. Key issue: misalignment across approaches. Although the learning outcomes are the same, the activities are not equivalent. In-person learning is rich and collaborative. Online synchronous learning offers only limited engagement. Asynchronous learning is reduced to passive content delivery. This misalignment undermines the principle of equivalency in HyFlex design. Reflection questions. How could you redesign this HyFlex activity to ensure equivalent learning opportunities in all learning approaches? How can UDL principles help you make the activity more inclusive and flexible? Which ACAD dimensions need redesign to improve alignment? Consider how you would design meaningful learning experiences for all students, regardless of their learning approach. Your task: analyze this case using the following guided questions. What is the main alignment problem? Suggest one UDL improvement. Name one ACAD dimension to adjust and explain how. Describe how your change supports equivalency across learning approaches. Record a 2 to 3 minute audio or write 5 and 6 bullet points. Post your response in the forum and reply to at least one peer post. Estimated time: 10 to 15 minutes. Case plus reflect plus record. Write 5 minutes. Post in the forum. 5 to 10 minutes. Read, listen to peer post plus comment.